Hello everyone, it's a project in the field of computer-aided design performed by student Sofia Panchak. The main task of this project is automated design of assembly in the SolidWorks. Right now in your screen you can see a program code of this project. So in the beginning I'm going to tell you about it. Here the necessary libraries are wrote. Then you can see the main form is loaded and the process of SolidWorks is started. Here we can see a lot of values. Later we will need it to perform the assembly. To start the assembly, we need to load all the necessary parts to the SolidWorks. So here we open the docs. This is the way how to reach to this part. And all of these parameters was taken from the macros in the SolidWorks, and they actually mean the location of this part in the SolidWorks main field. By the same way we do with other part. Then to create a relation between them, we use special functions. Here we call it as perpendicular made feature data, coincident made feature data, and parallel made feature data are used in this project. In the beginning we select this parts, then we do a selection of the object which should be connected, and we have here the function made feature which exactly create a connection, and then after each made we should rebuild our detail. By the same something we are doing a lot of times, and actually each kind of the made has its own parameter. It could be recognized by the SolidWorks. Here we have coincident made data. Again we do select by array, and then again we do made feature, coincident made data, and for coincidental relation we use parameter 0. The same something we have here, and actually again we have coincident made. Like example here we have parameter 2. It means that we have a perpendicular made feature, so we are using a different value. The same something is performed with all necessary parts, all the assembly, and then we just create special connections between each special side of this part. So now I'm going to show you how the main form looks like. Here we can see our assembly components which are used, and the general final looking of our detail. So by pushing this button, I'm loading SolidWorks and start building the assembly. So you can see all the parts were built and connected successfully, and all the parameters are necessary in the code. They worked fine and well. So that's why the project was made right, and thank you all for attention.